Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Today I'm going to show you how to add your language in keyboard on iPhone. Firstly, open settings and tap on general. Then tap on keyboard. As you can see top of the screen keyboards, just click on keyboards. Here you can see add new keyboard, just tap on it. As you can see appears on screen so many languages. You can choose one your language here. I am select one language. Now added your language on iPhone. Now go back to home screen, open messaging. Click for typing here, tap on it. As you can see keyboard is ready to use on your language. That's it. If you need any help about iPhone, you can comment me. Hope this video very helpful for you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.